YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu back in the building with another video, man. I got some awesome for y'all today, man. A nice little early look. But of course, before we get into any of that, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and holla at your boy in the comment section below. You know the vibes. I do talk back. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. But of course, before we do, if you're not following your boy on social media, man, hit that follow. You know what I'm saying? Instagram, Twitter, at Q the Flu. You know what I'm saying? We showing love, major love out there. Let's get it, gang. Yo, so you know the vibes, man. Today we gonna go ahead and get into something early, man. You know, this year is the year of Griffey. You know, a lot of OG classics with the Griffeys coming out. You know, we got those Royal joints coming out this Saturday, man. OG vibes, man. They didn't make them right the last time. I got a couple of videos on that. So, you know, you search my channel, you'll see that. So I'm really excited about those things coming back this weekend, man. But, you know, we also got an interesting little Griffey, you know, father-son pack getting ready to come out. You know, if you ain't seen images of them things, you know, I found an image and put it somewhere up in here. But we got the Air Force One, we got the AirMax90, and then, of course, we got the Griffey Max 1 that they're doing, you know, in this special baseball-themed, Mariners-themed colorway, man. You know, I got to get a close-up and personal look at the AirMax90, which I feel like is going to be the sleeper of that pack, man. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get up and close and personal with them joints. Let's go. Yo, you see it, man. So, you know, Jesus, white, you know, based on this thing, man. And this isn't the traditional AirMax90, you know, material. You know, they took the ballistic mesh out the toe box and they just kind of gave us this soft, like, you know, kind of neoprene, you know, feel, man. You know, you see, you know, just the color details going around this thing, man. Traditional AirMax90 sole. You know, you go around the back, you know, this is going to be based in that white, red Mariners and gold, you know, sort of colorway. You know, my favorite detail about this particular shoe, man, you see that baseball stitching that they got going around the side, you know, leading to the back of that thing. It just symbolized, you know, a baseball and, you know, Ken Griffey's love and his father's love for the sport because they both played professional baseball, man. Really dope homage to, you know, the father-son situation. You see the special, you know, gold hang tag going on that joint, you know what I'm saying, just to kind of, you know, give you something special, man. You gotta love when, you know, Nike decides to give you just something extra, especially if you're gonna be paying a little bit premium of a price. These are retailing for $150, which is, you know, I think normal AirMax90s kind of, you know, retail for like $130. So you're going to pay a little bit more in that department, but this is a special shoe. As you can see, I think these things are crazy. I will definitely be looking to pick up a pair. You know what I'm saying? We got those special tags on the, you know, on the tongue, man. You see the special insoles, man. 24 forever, baby. These things are going to be an absolute hit, man. I need to know, man, how y'all feeling about these, man. But let's go ahead and get back into it. Yo, man, so like, you know, if you couldn't tell, you know, and just kind of getting that up close and personal look at the shoe, your boy is excited about this particular pair right here, man. I will be looking to pick up my pair. You know, I believe these things are coming out mid-June, man. So, you know, be on the lookout. These things are fire. Yeah, and you know, for me to kind of see this particular shoe pop up where it popped up, I would kind of say everywhere that you were able to kind of find, you know, that Ray-Gun pack, you should be able to find this collection, man. I know a lot of things, it's been seeming like a lot of these sneakers lately have just been super, super limited, but you should be able to find these in Foot Locker's Champs and so forth, man. So, you know, hopefully they got enough pairs. Hopefully they don't do nothing crazy like putting them on an app reservation, but I can't see them doing that because they didn't do that with the Ray-Gun pack, man. So be on the lookout, man. You know, you might get lucky if you pop into your local Foot Locker early, you know what I'm saying, your local Champs early. RIP to Foot Action, but you know, there's probably still a few of those around too. But of course, it's your boy Q the Flu back in the building with another review. Got, you know what I'm saying, the Griffey vibes. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes as we proceed to give you what you need. Spit another episode of FGTV. And like that, we out. Peace. Chicago.